In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain on Cloudways. Whether you're a seasoned web professional or just starting out, connecting your domain to your Cloudways application is a crucial step to ensuring your website is live and accessible to your audience. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to head over to the Cloudways website. This is your destination for managing your cloud hosting. Once you're on the website, the next thing you're going to want to do is log in. It's important to have your credentials handy because you're going to need them to access your account. Click on the login button and enter your details to access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudways dashboard. This is essentially the command center of your hosting experience, where you can manage all aspects of your cloud services. From here, what we want to do is navigate to My Applications. This section houses all the applications you have running, and it's from here that you'll be able to connect your domain. Click on My Applications and then choose the application to which you want to connect your domain. Selecting the application will take you to the application management area, where you can handle various settings and configurations for that app. Within this section, we need to focus on the domain management option. Clicking on it will open up the settings specific to handling domain-related functions. Now, once you're in the domain management section, you should see an option to add a new domain. Click on Add to initiate the process. It's here that you'll tell Cloudways which domain you want to connect to your application. Be sure to have your domain details ready for entry into the system. After you click Add Domains, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to connect. This is a critical step. Double check the spelling and ensure the domain is correctly typed, as any error here could lead to inaccessible services. Once you've entered your domain information, confirm and save the settings, and just like that, you've connected your domain to Cloudways. It's a straightforward process, but taking care to follow each step ensures that everything runs smoothly. Keep in mind that changes can take some time to propagate, often up to a few hours depending on your DNS setup. That's it for today's tutorial on how to connect your domain on Cloudways. With these steps, you're now ready to launch your website live and make it available to the world. If you have any questions or run into issues, Cloudways offers great support to help you out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.